Access your profile. To access your profile settings, navigate to the Settings menu from the left-hand panel. Click on Profile to view and manage both your personal and business information. This is your starting point for ensuring your profile reflects who you are and what you offer. Let's start with your personal profile, where you can add the details that represent you. Upload your profile picture. Choose a professional, high-quality image that fits the required dimensions. A great photo makes your profile approachable and trustworthy. Phone number. Add or update your contact number so clients can reach you easily. Address details. Enter your address, including country, state, city, postal code. When you've made your updates, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Next, let's move to your business profile, the space where you showcase your brand and services to clients. Here's what you can update. Business name. Ensure it's clear and professional. Business phone. Provide a direct line for inquiries. Title. Add your role or position in the business. Industry. Select your industry from the drop-down list to help clients understand your niche. Business URL. Add your website link to direct clients to more information. Business address. Enter the full address for credibility. Descriptions. Provide a short description that briefly explains what your business offers. Keep it concise and impactful. Add a detailed description to give clients deeper insights into your services, highlighting how you can meet their needs. Terms and conditions. Define the terms and conditions for your offerings. This ensures transparency and builds trust with your clients. Once everything is updated, click Save to lock in your changes. Review your profile. Before you leave this section, take a moment to review your profile. Double-check all the details to ensure they are accurate, professional, and complete. Remember, your profile is the first impression for many clients. Make it count. Change admin password. Need to update your password? No problem. You can change your admin account password directly from the profile section. Simply follow the steps provided and your account will stay secure.